Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm actually currently waiting on a delivery from Sally's Beauty. If it doesn't get here by like 6 o'clock, I'm definitely not doing my hair tonight, but if it gets here soon, I'm gonna let you guys know kind of what I'm gonna do today. So the last hair video you guys see me do, I did this split dye with the dark brown and the purple. Well, you can see the purple is very faded. And then I also added auburn on the ends in one of my recent transformations. Pretty much, this side is still like blonde under there. I think I'm just gonna leave the brown. This side though, I feel like reviving the blonde. So in this video, I'm actually gonna just work with my right side of my head to try and color remove with the Radical B color removing packet or kit or powder. I did a video with this earlier in the year and ended up liking the results. If you guys want to see that video, I'll link it below. I was gonna bleach, but I stopped myself and decided that after doing the color remove, I would just do a toning session with Wella T18. My hair isn't in the best health right now, but yeah, so we're just gonna be trying to revive this side of my hair today and hopefully my delivery comes. Sally's, hurry up. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Hey guys, so the other day when I filmed that, Sally's never delivered my order. I think it was just like a little too late in the day or something. They never delivered it and they refunded me. So now I just skeeted out of work early because I had a migraine. I'm not going to comment further on that. So I left work early and I'm going down the street to Sally's. So I'm just going to pick this stuff out in person, which is going to be cheaper. And so yeah, we're doing a color remove, a tone. This should be interesting. I've locked myself in the bathroom before lunch so I could get the color remover on. But the first thing I have to do, which is probably going to be the trickiest for me, is, oh my gosh, I smell like straight up coffee from work this morning, like straight up espresso. So, oh wait, let me show you guys what I got at Sally's. Everything is like really small. This was $23 altogether, so I have Wella Developer left over in my big freaking bottle that I had for a long time, but I thought just in case I'll grab one of the Salon Care 30 volume developers. This is only like between $3 and $4. I got my Wella T18, my OG, a packet of Radical B color remover, gloves. I didn't end up getting a full container of the Sauce hair mask. I've still been going through this random conditioner I got off Amazon, and I'm not the biggest fan because I don't really see a lot of difference. I mean, a lot of result, I guess, as far as softness and silkiness in the hair. But I'm still gonna finish this. I just got one packet of Sauce. If I got the container, this order would have been more like $30. But yeah, first thing we're starting with is Radical.
I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright, baby, I'ma have the best fucking night.
So I completely forgot to section. I totally forgot.
Alright, baby, don't you know I'm good, yeah.
So the reason that I'm doing my roots as well, even though I'm color removing, is because when I did Radical B in the past, it did lighten my roots and I kind of liked it. You can use this product with just water, but when you use developer, it's a stronger color removing experience. So this stuff gets almost like foamy and moussey.
Don't you know I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. You know I'm down for whatever tonight. I don't need the final things in life. No matter where I go, it's a good time.
This stuff scrub does have kind of a slight tingling, burning sensation like bleach when you mix it with developer. Even though I only am doing half my head, I'm still kind of running low on product right now. But there it is. I have the half of my head saturated. That was pretty quick. That took like under 4 minutes. So it says to leave on for a minimum of 15 minutes and a maximum of 45. So I'll probably do somewhere around a half hour.
Don't you know I'm good? Yeah, I'm feeling alright.
I'm not gonna lie, guys, that kind of did a number on my hair. Like, but the good thing is Wella T18 is usually a nourishing toner, and also I have my mask to do, so fingers crossed we can revive this. Hey guys, so this is my hair. I did use a flat iron on the like front bangs on each side. You can see how this side is laying more relaxed and this side is kind of like stiff and frizzy because it just went because of what it just went through. So the texture is a little rough right now, but as far as the color, like I'm good with this. I know the roots are a different story, but I like this color, and I'm actually gonna throw it in a messy bun for work. So here's the messy bun. So yeah, not terrible. I'm like, whatever. I know I need to like nourish my hair though and chill out. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.